Hey guys, Kevin here from Real Fragrance Review. Today I have a big unboxing. Just gonna unbox and talk. This is a big, this is big for me. This is highly coveted from Argos. Their newer releases, Neptunes Trident and Primavera. Oh my god, I think that's how it's pronounced. So I'm very interested on how that is going to go. Okay. Cool. Let's get into this. This is my favorite. Argos always comes with a letter with a signed seal or with a stamp. Left some of those sample cards in case you want to spray the card. Pretty cool. Samples. These two I did request. Let's see, I did request Sharon's Veil. Big one, big Oud Rose. Can't wait to try that. Danae, I love Danae, and then Parfum. Parfum's a really good one. Danae is one of my favorites, honestly. Too good from the house of Argos. Argos's packaging is always... Argos's packaging is always on point. It's like almost opening up a Christmas gift. That's how much care they put into their packages. All right, so I'll go the green one first. We'll see how this goes. Oh, look at that packaging. La Primavera, yeah. La Primavera right there. Very cool. Very good. We'll go this one first. I'm going to be smelling both of them, so it's a first impression. First impression and unboxing. Let's see. Here we go. Green box. Very cool. One sec. Look at this. Look at this. Pretty good. Let's open La Primavera. Boom. I don't know how I feel about the glass, to be honest with you. This is a new thing that they've been doing with the frosted glass. I don't know. It'll probably grow on me. I can't get anything from the bottle. So I'm going to pop open Neptune's Trident next. And then I'm going to spray it for you on camera. And you'll get my first impressions. And then I am done. Pretty cool boxes, you know. They always do A1 with the boxes. But you guys are here for the fragrance, so... that is why I am here. Cool. So that's going to the side. Neptune's Trident. This is a big one. This one is highly coveted. Highly hyped. It's very hyped right now. People are saying it's like a Louis Vuitton. What was it? Imagination, I think it is. I've never smelled Imagination before, so I can't really say that. So you'll get my own unique take on this one. I love this. I love this artwork that they do. They do it all for all their boxes. Very good. Look at that. It's pretty cool. That's always on top of a seashell. Okay. All right, let's see which one this one is. I bet you it's blue. Yeah, blue and silver. Okay, pretty good. Let's see. Neptunes Trident. Boom. Look at that. That artwork is really nice. Very, very nice. I'll get the thumbnail. Boom. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Left hand's going to be Neptune's Trident. Right is La Primavera. Oh, hold on. There we go. Please have this atomizer work. Ooh, okay. I'll give it a minute to dry down. They did. It's a different crystal. Hold on. Yeah, this one has kind of like a... The crystal on La Primavera has a kind of a different kind of color to it. Pretty cool. All right, let's see. Ooh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. I'm trying to gather my thoughts here for my first impressions. One second. Neptune's Trident is a... Oh my god. Wow. You know, Argos has always brought out like a spring, fall time, and wintertime fragrance. They never really done like a full-on aquatic before. This is nice. I got to get more time with it. Can I check the notes? I want to check the notes. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Neptune's Trident. Orange, petitgrain, cardamom. I'm getting a pretty good amount of cardamom on mine, but a lot of tea. So the tea and jasmine is popping off. I'm getting some vetiver, but it's not the cat pissy vetiver. This is good vetiver. La Primavera is very, very good. I'm just gonna say that right out the gate, just because I'm liking how the notes are on La Primavera, to be honest with you. But Neptune's Trident, I think, is going to be a really, really good fragrance for the summer. Like dead heat of Texas good. So I'm really interested to see how that will work. I want to check La Primavera's notes real quick, just so I can get that out of the way. And then I'll let you guys go. So... La Primavera's notes are bergamot, lemon, green leaf, rose, heliotrope. And base notes are musk, vanilla, and vetiver. I don't really get the vetiver, to be honest with you, in La Primavera. I'm getting a lot of rose. Rose is really good on my skin, to be honest with you. Rose. I'm getting some lemon, but it's not like it's really well done lemon. It's not, how would you say it? It's not bad lemon. It's good lemon. I don't know what to compare it to be honest with you. Yeah, the rose, heliotrope, and vanilla are just popping right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to give it more time. I'll be back. I really want to get some wares, so I'll be back after this weekend. And I'll talk to you guys more about it. But yeah, that's it for now. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for more content.